Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0962 indicates an issue with the continuously variable transmission, CVT, drive pulley pressure control valve circuit. This error primarily signifies that the electrical circuit related to the pressure control valve is functioning abnormally, typically showing low pressure. The CVT, or continuously variable transmission, is responsible for providing a smooth engine power delivery and reducing fuel consumption by adjusting gear ratios without traditional shift points. The pressure control valve is a vital component of this system, controlling hydraulic pressure for efficient operation. It's relayed through the vehicle's onboard computer, known as the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The DTC P0962 is specifically linked to electrical malfunctions and not mechanical issues within the transmission, emphasizing the need for precise electrical checks rather than assuming mechanical failure. The DTC P0962 indicates a malfunction within the CVT drive pulley pressure control valve circuit, pinpointing it as an electrical issue. Specifically, the code suggests that the voltage or current is low within the circuit, controlling the CVT pressure control valve. This component is typically located in the transmission assembly. Its role is to regulate hydraulic pressure, impacting the overall transmission performance. If there is a lapse in electrical signals to this valve, it may not function optimally, leading to poor drivability. The PCM is responsible for monitoring various parameters, including those from the pressure control valve, which is crucial for effective transmission operation. Thus, recognizing this code is vital for ensuring timely repairs. For the DTC P0962, there are several outlined causes of the issue. First, a faulty CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve may fail to respond correctly, affecting hydraulic pressure. Additionally, poor wire connections or damaged wiring within the circuit between the solenoid and the PCM may cause electrical resistance or interruptions. Such issues hinder proper communication, resulting in low voltage signals reaching the solenoid. Lastly, a malfunctioning PCM can misread signals or fail to send appropriate commands, leading to erratic functioning of the transmission. Understanding these potential causes aids in a focused troubleshooting approach, allowing for systematic elimination of possibilities. Drivers may experience various symptoms associated with the DTC P0962. Primarily, a slipping transmission can occur, where the vehicle unexpectedly loses power during acceleration, indicating issues with the CVT pressure control. Additionally, you may notice unusual engine RPM fluctuations since the CVT is unable to properly adjust to driving conditions. This can lead to poor acceleration as the power transfer becomes inefficient. These symptoms not only affect drivability, but may result in further complications if left unattended. Noting these signs early could save on future repairs and maintain vehicle safety on the road. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0962 requires verification of the problem. This involves turning the vehicle to the on mode and preparing it for diagnostic testing. After powering on, the next task is to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This action resets the error codes and allows for a fresh check of the system to see if the issue persists. Once cleared, the technician should start the engine and wait at least 1 second to allow the system to stabilize. Following this, it is crucial to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs once again with the HDS. This procedure aims to confirm whether the DTC P0962 is still present, indicating a reoccurring issue, or if it was intermittent and the system is operating normally. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P0962, the focus shifts to determining the failure area's specific components. This primarily involves performing a test on the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve. By assessing its functionality, you can ascertain whether the valve operates as intended. If the valve performs correctly, it indicates that the solenoid itself is not at fault, leading to the subsequent step in troubleshooting. However, if the valve does not operate properly, further investigation is warranted, possibly indicating an electrical issue that requires additional diagnostics. Accurate testing is essential to isolate the problem and eliminate guesswork. The third step in troubleshooting DTC P0962 involves checking the open wire connections in the driveline control signal DRLS line. Initially, ensure the vehicle is turned off and in a locked position. Next, use the HDS to jump the SCS line, preparing the vehicle for diagnostic checks. Disconnect both the PCM connector C and the solenoid wire harness to prevent interference during testing. With both connectors disconnected, continuity must be checked between designated test points. Specifically, continuity should be verified between the solenoid wire harness and the PCM terminal points. If continuity is confirmed, the DRLS wire is functional, prompting you to consider updating the PCM software or substituting a known good PCM for further tests. This step is key to determining whether wiring issues contribute to the DTC. The fourth step in troubleshooting the DTC P0962 involves checking the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve for faults. To begin, you will need to remove the valve body assembly to access the solenoid and its connectors. Disconnect the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve 2P connector and prepare to measure its resistance. This step requires the vehicle to be in the off mode for safety. Measuring resistance between the appropriate terminals allows you to determine if the solenoid valve operates within the specified range, ideally between 4.6 to 6.3 ohms. If the resistance falls within this range, the solenoid valve is functioning correctly, and the next step would involve inspecting or replacing the associated solenoid wire harness. Conversely, if the resistance is outside this specified value, the solenoid valve itself is faulty and necessitates replacement of the valve body assembly. After completing the repairs associated with DTC P0962, it is crucial to verify the effectiveness of the conducted fixes. This starts with clearing the DTC once more using the HDS, resetting the vehicle's diagnostic system. Following this, a test drive is essential to assess how the vehicle behaves under normal operating conditions. During the test drive, attention should be paid to the overall performance of the transmission. Observing whether any symptoms such as slipping or unusual RPM fluctuations persist is vital in confirming whether the issue has been fully resolved. Ensuring that the transmission operates smoothly without setting off any new codes will indicate that the repairs were successful and that the vehicle is ready for normal use. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's transmission system. Regular checks on wiring and connections can help identify potential problems before they escalate into serious issues, preventing DTC P0962 from triggering. It's also essential to inspect the connectors for signs of corrosion or damage, as these can lead to intermittent electrical faults. Keeping the PCM software updated is another critical aspect of preventive maintenance, ensuring that the vehicle operates with the latest protocols and fixes for known issues. By implementing these preventive measures, you're fostering a healthier transmission system and mitigating the likelihood of recurrence for DTC P0962. In conclusion, the DTC P0962 indicates a critical electrical issue with the CVT drive pulley pressure control valve circuit. Diagnosing and rectifying this problem involves systematic testing of the solenoid valve and wiring, ensuring all components function as required. Additionally, preventive maintenance measures, such as regular inspections and updates, can significantly reduce the risk of encountering this code again. Understanding the implications of this error code and addressing it proactively lays a strong foundation for the reliability of your Honda Fit's transmission system. By taking these corrective steps, you can maintain optimal performance and enhance the vehicle's operational lifespan. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.